Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to log into Cash App on a different phone. Alright, so let's begin. If you're using an Android phone and Cash App is glitching, freezing, or not allowing you to sign in, clearing the app's cache may help resolve the issue. To do this, open the Settings app on your Android device, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the list of installed applications, find and select Cash App. Next, scroll down and tap on Storage or Storage and Cache, depending on your Android version. From here, select the option to clear cache. It's important to be careful during this step. Avoid selecting clear data or clear storage unless you fully understand what it does, as this can reset the application's stored information and may require you to sign in again. Once you've cleared the cache, reopen Cash App and try signing in again using the phone number or email address associated with your account. Depending on your account settings, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity before allowing you to access your account on the new device. You may receive a verification code by text message or email, so simply follow the instructions shown on your screen. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection while completing the login process. This can help prevent connection-related issues during verification. When signing in on a new phone, always use the phone number or email address that is linked to your Cash App account. If you're experiencing login problems, it's also a good idea to avoid repeatedly signing in on multiple devices at the same time. And that's it. So that's basically how you can log into Cash App on a different phone. So that's all for this video.